Welcome to 95 Scooter Guide. My name is Michael, and in today's video I'll be showing you some quick servicing tips I do after riding my scooter for a week. So let's get into it and see how it goes. So the first thing I do is to check my oil gauge, and that's very easy. So I bring out the gauge. If you look at it, there's so much oil in it. I get an old piece of cloth, wipe it up and check if the oil is still gauged. I dip it back in, screw it in a bit, then bring it out to check. So the next thing I do is to access the spark plug and change it. It's always good to swap out the spark plug. So open the boot. Bring a new spark plug, swap it out. Now these are not original spark plugs, but they're good enough, so for the time being I just try to change them as often as possible. Please always make sure you buy spark plugs that are recommended for your bike. Then I swap that in. The last thing to check is the air filter. So all I do is to loosen up the air filter, clean it. It would have been better if I could change it from time to time, but we don't have spare parts in Nigeria, so all I do is lose it every week, clean it out, and make sure it's ready for the next week. So let's get into that. So I have a couple of screws I have to use to access the air filter. So we have this one, so here we have our old and dusty air filter, so we have to change that out. I have to clean that up and change it out because I don't have spare. And this is a very old and very dusty air filter. All I have to do is try and clean it up the best way I can. After properly cleaning the air filter, what's left is to fix it back. So just check in, follow the same alignment, and try and fix it. After this is done, all I have to do now is just to try on the scooter and see if everything is in order.